Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, hit back at China's claim that the reported use of toxic chemical cyanide by Chinese fishing boats near the BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal was allegedly fabricated. Patrick De Jesus has the full report.
Chinese sampans or fishing boats frequently circle around Ayungin Shoal. This is according to soldiers deployed to BRP Sierra Madre, who were interviewed by the media. The soldiers' faces were partially covered for their security. In 4 incidents since last year, they intercepted Chinese sampans and confiscated bottles containing toxic chemicals, which later tested positive for cyanide.
Kapag nakikita nila na papalapit na yung Filipinos, yung Philippine Navy in particular, is lumalayo na sila. I can say na they are deliberately trying to target yung shoal surrounding BRP Sierra Madre, sir.
With regards to moral, ma'am, regardless, ma'am, kung ano po yung dala nila or ano, basta po pumasok po sila sa area namin, i-apprehend po namin, ma'am.
They also expressed concern over the Chinese use of cyanide, which has led to the death of many corals in Ayungin Shoal. Aside from this, fishing nets were also found that caused damage to the reefs.
Nakakalungkot, ma'am, kasi yung Ayungin Shoal, ma'am, nakikita ko yung ilalim niyan. During my stay there, ma'am, matagal din ako doon. Then halos nakita ko yung ilalim niyan. Napakaganda. Tapos nakakalungkot lang na may mga part na patay na.
The troops said they did not commit any harassment while stopping the illegal activities of Chinese fishermen.
Never po nilang hinawakan yung mga Chinese fishermen. Never sila gumamit ng force or hindi sila nagbato ng kahit anong projectile.
In a statement, the Chinese Foreign Ministry blamed BRP Sierra Madre for the damage to the marine environment in Ayungin Shoal and insisted that the grounding of the ship in the area is illegal. China also described the reported cyanide issue as a stunt and lacking credibility, allegedly meant to implicate Chinese fishing boats. The Armed Forces of the Philippines pushed back, maintaining that they are not fabricating stories.
All of our actions are based on scientific evidence. We do not fabricate news. It took more than a year to be able to have this liquid checked to confirm that indeed it contains cyanide. We reject any statement that these are fabricated news.
The AFP added that there has long been evidence of who is damaging marine resources and intruding into the West Philippine Sea.
History will not lie. Until today, the facts on the ground are very clear. The Chinese Communist Party, through the PLA Navy, the Coast Guard, and the Maritime Militia, has been conducting ICAD activities. The illegal presence, coercive and aggressive actions, and deceptive messaging have been the cause of instability not only in the West Philippine Sea but in this part of the globe.
The AFP will intensify its monitoring to protect the environment in Ayungin Shoal and ensure the safety and health of soldiers deployed on BRP Sierra Madre. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.